saying that you'll time out any person that says anything bad, especially about you. Well done, mate. You absolute yo. How are we all doing? Hope you're all doing good. So I'm just going to put on some music and get ready to start trading. So for those that are wondering why I'm looking this way, I'm just checking news. So yeah. So you've got Diageo. Nothing exciting. Got Reckitt Benckiser. It's had a nice sell-off, hasn't it? Nothing just yet. Menon 123. Where's my stop on cable short? I'm not even probably about one out of 5 positions yet, so I don't even need to think about placing a stop. Even if it moves 100 pips against me, it's not even going to be 0.2, 0.3%. So don't need one just yet, mate. That said, all my risk is really low at the moment. If you was on the last one, it's called bucket trading, where you lose low risk. So basically, it's what I call a fishing position. So I'm just saying that it should start selling off soon. So I'll put my proper size position on if I see a nice spike higher. But at the moment, I haven't seen it yet. So I just put my positions in to make sure I'm not missing out on moves. Lloyd's, great one at the moment. Seems like there's a floor, doesn't there, around 62. Be watching this level. Barclays, Virgin Money, already seen Diageo. It's insane, isn't it? Croda International, solid run. Need some sort of pullback on that. What a buy that would have been, though. Look at that for a hold. 250, 400, all the way up 4,800 nearly. Insane. Remember, stocks, bread and butter. Avi Patel, those levels you choose and just pivot, lows, highs. The F12 yesterday was insane. Now, Elementis is a stock that is awesome for range trading. Just shorts off of the highs. It's very simple. All those levels you choose in pivotal levels. So Avi Patel, those shorts on cable just off of the highs, daily highs. So I'm sharing you my stock watch list with you here. So take notes. Choppy. So in the last spin, we had someone win TradeMate algorithm, someone won a Yield Coin t-shirt, someone won SEL Wealth t-shirt. Let's do a raffle. Someone's going to win $3,000 worth of software, or they're going to win nothing. £2 or £10. £10 from King George. £10 from Harley. Whilst cable sells off for me. See if we break this low on this little range that we've got. Should do 2. Okay, cool. So at the bottom of the video, it says raffle entry of me going like this. Click on raffle entry and enter into the raffle, and I'll get started. I'll put people in. There's 2 raffles. One will be a £2 raffle. One's a £10 raffle. We'll put bigger prizes in the £10 raffle. Whilst cable is selling off. Oh yeah. Sell. Thank you. Yeah. Anyone would think it was a full-time job, man. I should think about doing this for a career, maybe. Maybe I should trade for a living. I mean, genius. It's rocket science. It would sell off from highs, right? It's not moved that much. It's only on the minute chart anyway. It's up about 15 pips. This is an easy competition. So far, we've got June Crew in both. We have got Jackies is in 1, Bavin's in 1. It's easy. At the moment, there's 5 entries over 2 spins. Well, this is going to be an easy win for some people. So let me just quickly have a look on my live. So quickly look on this. See if I'm going to hold on to this trade. 1,000 to 10,000. Let's go. See how it reacts to R1. What it does. Move stop loss to break even now. No risk now on the position. If it comes down here, it's nearly 1% on the K account, isn't it? So no risk on. Let's have a look, see what else we've got we can trade. FTSE's at highs, really want to buy it, so going to wait for it to come back down. Pound staggers and sits around here for 10-15 minutes. I'll just close it out. It means it might bounce back higher. Let's see if this holds, because usually Fusion's pretty good. If it breaks R1, if it holds this level, then I'll let Fusion take over on the other accounts. He knows what he's doing, and on this one I will close out. But let's see if it takes up the low. So you still got a couple of minutes whilst I'm filling the names out if you want to still enter. I'm doing the £10 one at the moment. So I'll go through and confirm everyone. So some of you are in both, which is cool. Abby's doubling up the odds. I see what you're doing there. Smart man. It's all Sam Jack, you definitely are in. Yeah, I've just put you in there, mate. Chris Tick, you're in there. Almost died walking along Baker Street to enter this raffle. Joker. There's some in both. There's some in both. Some in just a few of them. Let's have a look. So we're gonna do 2 spins. We'll do the one that's £10 first, and then we'll do the £2 one. So £10 one is the big prizes, and then I'll withdraw some of the big prizes on the small £2 one. Mentoring with Elliot, yeah. All with Raj. The day we all traded with Raj. Looks like cable's still going down, which is going well. I don't reckon it's got that much further, to be fair, without having some sort of slowdown. 27 pips. Previous move was 70, so probably about 35 would be the target, half the previous rally. Let's put an alert on it. Give it a spin. Right, ready? Let's give it a spin. 3, 2, 1. Winner is... Who's that? Oh! Chris, you won. That's the high spinner. So let's see what you've won, Chris. Wonder what you're about to win. Let's see what you've won, Chris. Are you ready? Chris, where are you from anyway? Just out of interest, just shout out into the group chat where you're from. Shout where are you from, mate, on the Twitch. Me. Let's hope you don't win a t-shirt. Shipping cost is going to be for the roof. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, spin. You have won an SCL Wealth t-shirt. Chris has got an SCL Wealth t-shirt coming to him. He was close to winning. What was that one next to it? Trade, mate. Let's switch back to charts. Looks like we may be seeing a bit of a bounce. So here we go. Start looking. It's not bad. What trade for the first one is it on the competition? 25 pips. I reckon it's going to come to here and maybe stall. So usually around 50% of a retrace before you then start seeing it go back up. There we go. It's just hit my alert level. Let's see how it reacts with it. See if it goes through it. If not, then it means it's roughly where the retrace will potentially finish and then start rallying back to the upside. Give it a vote. Break or bounce. Right on there. Break or bounce. Or do you reckon it'll break or bounce? Break, bounce, then break. That's a good way to cover yourself, isn't it? Maybe the bounce. Mate, he's been given a timeout. Look, you've been given a timeout for 600 seconds, you little kid. Banter. Getting a decal on him, mate. Timeout for you. So this is an easy spin then for you guys. You've been given a timeout. I think that's more depressing him, muting him. I'm just showing some of the guys this comments that's muted so you can't actually see him. Look, can I have a look at this guy that he thinks he's funny? Look at his comments, look. Look at what this guy's saying. Obviously, no one can see that because he's muted, but look at that.
What?
I know. Poor, sad kid.
Wow. What's his problem?
I don't know, mate. Clearly, he's got no life. Yeah, I can ban him, but it's quite entertaining, isn't it?
So deep.
So it looks like it's kind of failed on the bounce side. Let's move it down a bit. So just keep locking him. Looks like it's moving down to target quite nicely. Okay, I don't think I've left anyone out. So we've got Batsy times by 2, Sam Jack, Keys, Harley times by 2, and for the Swarm 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 entries. Looks like it's about to see if it moves above our level, and then it's going to take out the trade. And a nice sell position going down. Got 24 pips locked in, and we're stopped out there. We may see it now retrace lower, but hey ho. Nice position. Looks like it did bounce over quite strongly. We'll see if it closes like that. It might just sit and pour sideways, to be fair, but I think that's the majority of the selling done. If this closes like this, then we'll see a little bit of a move higher. Trade 1 down, 25 pips. I really want Euro to kind of hit down these lower levels so you can buy the dips. But it's just kind of in the middle of the range, so I'm not really interested on this at the moment. So nothing mega exciting happening today. Oh, who's traded 1502? Who's that? They've just entered in 5 times for the £2 raffle. He's dominating the odds. Out of nowhere. Honestly, it's just called being a sadder and looking at the charts the whole of your life. So it's you've got 5 entries, mate. So you've got quite big odds. We may as well open up a casino, right? Whilst we're trading away, we may as well just put algo prizes and just do. Should I put cash prizes on one as well? I'll do bigger ones and put cash prizes on. Do like £1,000 win on the spin or something like that. Right, how many people are in this spin now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 people in the spin, and you out of all the slots, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots that's trade of 1502. 2 that's Harley's, June Crew 1, Batsy 1, for the Swarm 1, Jackie's 1 as well. So it did bounce, didn't it, on the cable trade? So it's a good exit. Happy with that. Nice 25 pips, nice and easy. So let's spin the wheel. We're going to spin the wheel to see who wins first. Right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, spin. Oh, look at that! Surprise. Trader 1502, Alex Bell 1. That's what happens when he takes like 40% of the wheel. Smart man. Rate that. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Alex has got. That's so well teach. Look how big that shout out slot was. Here we go, look. Should we put that idiot back into the D corner again? How hilarious. Let's leave him there. You lot can have some entertainment with him. So markets, like I said, looks like it's stalling. Selling kind of looks like it's over for the moment on pound. Got another timeout. Naughty boy. Hope you're coming to the May 3rd event in London. If not, I'll paste the link in here for you guys. Really looking forward to hosting the event at the moment. It's looking like a busy event. It's already 194 people attending the event. We're still 4 weeks out. If you're up for the event in London, meeting some of the traders, meeting the team from Samuel Co Trading, the majority of us will all be there. Got a lot of press and media there as well that will be potentially doing write-ups on it. Should be a great event. If you haven't registered, you can grab your free tickets from there. Maybe on the next spinner wheel, I'll put VIP tickets on there because they're £150. So we'll put VIP tickets on there on the next spin, maybe. And as well, you've got to remember that the VIP tickets, they instantly win £150 worth of yield coin. If you haven't yet, be sure to join our Telegram group full of traders trading away. Be awesome to meet you all. Some really cool debates on Forex and cryptos on stage. Watch your webinar on GoToWebinar of you a while ago where you were going to take some junior traders and a new wealth manager, I think it was. How are they all doing? So we've got our junior fund managers at the moment, and we've got one of them just going for their IMC. So they're going ahead and actually doing their exam very shortly. So I'll keep you updated on that. In regards to their performance on their live funds, best to talk to Elliot. Killer Wolfpack, obviously that you're private DMing me, saying that you'll time out any person that says anything bad, especially about you. Well done, mate. You absolute. Of course I would fucking mute you. You. There you go. The rest of the world now knows that you're. Is that what you wanted? 10 out of 10, mate. Let's spin a wheel for this. Damn! Left hook or uppercut. Jesus Christ. What an absolute idiot. Stop looking in the mirror.
Oh, that's cold.
This is what he says. There's no mirror. You mean the webcam? Smart kid. I think we should unmute him just because he's absolutely hilarious. I'm due to submit my stats and I'm up 8.6% in a week's time. So just to say that your course is great. Awesome stuff, man. Really like the sound of that. Why do you find discretionary trading so much harder than systematic? Because discretionary trading obviously takes into account your own emotion, doesn't it? Whereas systematic is just full time. If you're up 30% in a week, you're probably not using 1% risk. If you are, that's insane. But you've got to make sure that you're using good risk management of your account. So you don't want to risk more than 1% of your account, because if you lose more than 5 trades in a row, you've only lost kind of 5%. If you start risking, say, 3% of trades, you lose 5 in a row, you've lost 15%, you start getting emotional about it, start revenge trading, and things start going wrong. So it's all about using the right risk, or do what I do and use smaller positions than 1%. And so you don't miss out on trades you think that are going to turn and go up. You just start putting on small positions, and then eventually when you feel that the move's going to be happening, you put the complete amount position on. So it's just things like that. So it just depends on how you progress. But if you go to live money, I would just literally trade simply really small and kind of progress from there, see where you're going. Did someone just sneeze, by the way? Did someone sneeze? Yeah. Oh, right, they're all saying bless you. Yeah. Cable short, reason why I went short, soft daily highs. Every time it comes back up to that level where the red resistance level is, you're going to see a lot of choppiness. It's easy to get in and out. Again, don't forget the account is £1,000. I'm trying to get into 10,000. So I'm taking small short-term positions in regards to trying to make it into a 10k account as quick as I can by taking short entries. So I believe at the moment I'm on about 11 win streak, no losses so far. So I doubt that's going to maintain. So I'm getting ready to do a live stream and lose a trade. So it'll be pretty interesting. But we'll see how it goes. I'm going to head downstairs, guys, and go and grab some lunch. So that'll be the end of today's live stream. Make sure you tune in next time. Chris and Alex, if you can make sure, and June Crew, if you make sure you just email your sizes of t-shirts to hr@samuelandcotrading.com. I'll put it on here. We can send out your prizes, and welcome to the spin next time. Hopefully do it on Monday as well, or Tuesday. We'll see how we go. I'll catch you all later, guys.
You'll feel away. You'll feel away about me. You'll feel away. You'll feel away about me. You'll feel away. You'll feel away about me. You'll feel away. You'll feel away about me.